Kia has just pulled the wraps off its most accessible mass market electric SUV for India, the Ceros EV. And this isn't a teaser or a spy shot anymore. Design, features, specifications, variants, all of it is now officially out in the open ahead of the car's launch in the coming weeks. In this video, we are covering everything you need to know about the Ceros EV in one clean rundown. Before we dive in, for all things automotive, make sure you hit that subscribe button on Carwale YouTube channel and tap the bell icon so you don't miss our videos. And once you're done watching, head over to carwale.com for detailed model information, variant-wise features and on-road prices in your city. Now, let's get to the Ceros EV. This has been a long-awaited launch. The Ceros EV comes close on the heels of the ICE-powered Ceros, which received a mild update back in April this year, and the electric version was always next in line. As expected, the Ceros EV looks very much like the ICE sibling, and honestly, there's very little to set the two apart at first glance, save for a few EV-specific touches. With this electric version, you get a charging flap mounted on the front fender, a slightly revised design for the roof rails, and a dedicated Ceros EV badge on the tailgate. The top spec variant also gets a different 17-inch wheel design. Interestingly, if you have followed the Ceros closely, you would actually know that this particular design was actually offered on the outgoing ICE Ceros as well. Moving to what really matters for an EV, the powertrain. The Ceros EV is offered with two battery pack options. The larger 51.4 kWh extended range sends out 169 bhp, and Kia claims a 0 to 100 km/h sprint time of 8.1 seconds with this battery pack. Both packs are IP67 rated for dust and water resistance and come with liquid cooling to handle Indian weather conditions. On the charging front, Kia claims a 10 to 80% DC fast charge time of 39 minutes using a 100 kW charger, and the car supports up to 10.8 kW of onboard AC charging as well. And here's the biggest ownership highlight: every Ceros EV comes with a lifetime battery warranty, which Kia defines as 15 years. Add to that an assured buyback program and a battery as a service option, and Kia is clearly trying to remove the biggest EV hesitations: battery life, resale value, and upfront cost. Now to the range figures. The 42 kWh battery pack returns an ARAI certified range of 443 km, while the bigger 51.4 kWh extended range pushes out up to 526 km in a single charge. This makes the Ceros EV the first electric vehicle in the segment to cross the claimed 500 km mark. The Ceros EV comes in 7 trims spread across 2 battery pack options. The standard 42 kWh pack is offered on the HTK, HTK Plus and HTX variants, while the extended range is reserved for the HTK Plus, HTX, HTX Plus and the range-topping X-Line trim. Step inside and depending on the variant you pick, in typical Kia fashion, you get different interior themes. But the biggest talking point inside is the steering wheel, which has been borrowed from its elder sibling, the Seltos. Space, however, stays identical to the ICE Ceros since the overall dimensions haven't changed. Where the Ceros EV really flexes is its feature list, and it's loaded to the brim. You get a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system paired with a similarly sized digital driver's display, plus a dedicated 5-inch screen just for the climate control, together forming Kia's 30-inch Trinity panoramic display. Add to that a wireless smartphone charger, a dual-pane panoramic sunroof, and a Harman Kardon 8-speaker sound system. Comfort-wise, you get ventilated front and rear seats, a power-adjustable driver seat, and a 100-watt Type-C charging up front. There's also 64-color ambient light, rear door sunshade curtains, and a 16-liter frunk for additional storage. Safety is another area where the Ceros EV carries forward everything from its ICE counterpart. It comes with level 2 ADAS, 6 airbags, dual view dash camera, a 360-degree camera, and front, rear and side parking sensors, disc brakes on all wheels, and also a tire pressure monitor. And here's the most important bit if you're already sold on the Ceros EV. Pre-bookings have finally commenced at Rs 25,000 through Kia India website and dealerships across the country. The official launch is expected to follow in the coming weeks. That's a complete rundown of the new Ceros EV. If you found this useful, hit that like button, subscribe to Carwale YouTube channel and tap the bell icon to stay updated on the Ceros EV's launch and price reveal. And for detailed specs, variant-wise features and on-road prices in your city, head over to carwale.com. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one.